What is up, party people? It's your girl, Shaun Sunflower. And we're back with another tutorial, honey. And we back. And we back. And we back. And we back. Ayy. And we back. And we back. Ayy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make this beautiful and inexpensive. That's the important part. Inexpensive. DIY canopy. All right, so before we get started, we're gonna need to go over the materials. You're gonna need an embroidery hoop. I got this particular one from Walmart and it was less than $2. Oh yeah, inexpensive. You're gonna need some cup hooks. I actually had these laying around the house from a different DIY project, but you can pick these up from any local hardware store. I think the entire pack may have cost less than $3, and that's even after taxes. So because the canopy is so lightweight, when you attempt to hang it, you don't have to worry about looking for a certain size for the cup hooks. Size doesn't matter. Giggity. Grab some curtains, honey. Okay? You can pick whatever color you want. I chose white because it's going to go with the theme of the room. The longer, the better. The longest size that was available was 84 inch, so I went with that. And then you can actually choose how high or how low to hang it to give it that drape effect. You're going to need some sort of string to actually hang the canopy from the ceiling. What I've chosen is a very lightweight form of yarn. It's not going to tug at the cup hook or cause any sort of damage to the ceiling as the canopy hangs. Now we're ready to begin. The first thing you want to do is locate the latch on the embroidery hoop. You're going to unscrew it so that you can remove the hoop from the middle because we're not even going to use it. And then completely open the embroidery hoop by removing the screw. Make sure you put that screw in a safe place, baby, because it's real easy to lose it, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to open the curtain. So now we can begin to run it along the embroidery hoop. Find the opening where the curtain rod should go. And you're going to actually place one side of the embroidery hoop inside of the opening, making sure that before you run it all the way along, the inside of the curtain matches the inside of the embroidery hoop. Make sure as you're putting the curtain onto the embroidery hoop, you take it all the way around to the opposite side, so that way you can put the other curtain on as well. Now we want to close the embroidery hoop. Find your screw, wherever you put it, wherever it was safely stowed away. And then we're going to screw it back into place so that the embroidery hoop is completely closed and there is no gap whatsoever. Now what you want to do is you want to run your fingers through it, okay? Make sure you get out all the folds and the creases, honey. So now what you want to do is you want to separate the curtains slightly so that you can tell where one starts and one ends. Pull them apart and keep them separated for this next step. While holding the string in place with your thumb, you're going to wrap it around the circle twice so that it equals 4 times the radius of the circle. My 6th grade math teacher would be proud. Now you need to cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, and actually hold the 2 ends in one hand so that you can see the way it hangs. With the end in the front, you're going to take the yarn and actually wrap it around the latch of the embroidery hoop. And this is going to help to anchor the canopy as it hangs so that it's not lopsided and that the string doesn't slide as much. Take the time to situate the string so that it lays the way you want. Next, you want to take the 2 loose ends of string at the top and tie a loop. Screw your cup hook into the ceiling because now it's time to hang the canopy. Oh yeah, this is the best part. Oh yeah, this is the end. Now our DIY canopy is finished. Add some fairy lights for a little razzle dazzle. Put a little carpet down on the ground, some throw pillows, honey, and you have a little piece of serenity at home. You can get your office work done or your homework. You can catch up on your favorite book. See what your characters are up to, honey. Get a little peace and quiet. Or if you just need to clear your mind from the day, a little mindfulness and meditation will always do the trick. Thank you so much for watching my video. I definitely appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you can stay tuned for more content, and leave me a comment down below of what you want to see next.